Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a really fun video because today, girl, we're checking out a washer machine. I feel like I should just redo that intro because I just got way too weird way too quickly. Today's video is going to be a really fun video. I am going to be using this little beauty blender washer machine. Now this kind of went viral like on Twitter and like on Instagram, and then I've seen a couple people review it on YouTube. I ordered this as soon as I saw it, and I did order it off eBay, so it did take quite a while to come in. I then later saw that it was on Amazon, and some people were selling it with the Prime, so if you have the Prime, it would probably come in quicker. I wish I would have ordered it off Amazon, but I thought it was like an eBay only thing. Like I didn't know, okay, I didn't know. And it's like this really cute mini washer machine, and it's made for your beauty blender, and it was around $4. So it was like really cheap, and I'm gonna review it for you. I have this pretty gosh darn dirty beauty blender, and we're gonna give it a go. It came in this little box. It did not come with any instructions other than you need batteries. So what you will need with it too is a little mini screwdriver just to undo the battery compartment, which I'm glad it takes batteries and it's not plugged in the wall, because dealing with water and something that plugs in the wall is just a really bad mix for someone to get electrocuted. So it's a battery thing, so you'll need 2 AA batteries and a mini screwdriver. I don't even know if it works, girl. I really don't. But I'm excited to like do a test out video. This is gonna be so much fun. So we'll sing the subscribe song and then we'll jump into the video.
Subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe. Love you, Laura.
Okay guys, let's jump right in. All right, so I am going to go over with my other camera to like take it to the kitchen and put water in this and clean the beauty blender. I won't jabber on a lot. I went ahead and let you guys know about the battery thing. It also comes with this little drain. It's just really cute. Honestly, they have a blue one, they have a pink one. My eyes lit up when I saw the little pink one. I was like, oh my God, it's so cute. So let's go to the kitchen right now and let's see if it works. Also, I think I should try a makeup brush. Let me grab a makeup brush that's pretty dirty. I'll grab 2. Girl, we got the R14. I'll grab a makeup brush, an eyeshadow brush. I got my stuff. Here is the little wash machine. This is the little girl. She has a name. Her name is Ariel. And I think that's her name. And then this is what the inside looks like. It has a little spinner. It has a lid that closes. And this is the button that starts and stops it. I'm sorry, my nails are bad. I picked off my gel polish. And then this is the drain to drain out all the juices. And then this is my really dirty beauty blender. And then that is...
It's like a real washing machine.
That's his cat hair. Okay, so what I have is my beauty blender cleaner or brush shampoo or whatever you're using to clean. You put it in here with a little bit of water and then you turn it on. So I have my cup of water.
I'm excited for this.
Me too. I put that much. It doesn't give you instructions, so.
It's like a real washing machine.
Okay. Okay, ready? 2, 3, 4. That's a lot. I feel like that'll give it a good shot at working. And since this is clearly the nasty end, oh, I think I put too much.
I think you did the perfect amount.
Okay, I think I'm gonna hold. There we go. It closes. It closes just fine. Are we ready?
Push it.
3, 2,
Hold down the lid.
1. It's closed all the way.
Okay.
Oh, but it's maneuvering it. Like the beauty blender's like really getting a twist. Oh, guys, I'm excited. Oh, and it kind of stopped on its own. Does that mean it's done? Or does that mean that...
The battery gave out.
No, hold on. I need to just... I mean, here's interesting. Whatever was doing what, it cleaned a circle. That was probably already taken out of the beauty blender. Okay. I don't know here. Should I pour... What should I do here? Try again?
This is the dumbest thing in the world.
Yeah, I'm going to be real...
Whoever's paying real money for this.
Oh, it doesn't do... Oh. She's twerking. She's twerking. I don't think. Okay, look.
People do not waste your money.
Ty! Why are you being so rude? We're all
Why is it
just
so hard to wash this by hand?
I think more water. This is me doing real laundry, guys. Hold on.
Oh God.
The more Oh, the more water, the better. So what just happened is the Beauty Blender absorbed the water, and so it couldn't spin because it was dry. The more water you put in here, the better the thing works. So you really just got to fill it up with water, and now we got some major movement. I think we're figuring it out, guys.
People still don't waste their money on it.
Ty, don't be a cynical person.
This looks like something that you picked up at like the Dollar Tree.
You're hurting my feelings.
This is like the
Okie
easy bake
dokie.
oven version of
Okay.
Beauty Blender.
It does look kind of,
No.
I mean, there's some dirtiness. Okay, let's squeeze out the water. And let's have, I mean, guys, this isn't that bad. Can you get out of here? Okay, guys, that nail's gross. I mean, it's cleaner. It's not so bad. We do have some dirt here and here, but guys, this was really dirty. Wow. See, if you look at it like that, it looks really clean. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do next. Ready?
Yeah, we rolling.
We're gonna drain it. Oh, tinkle. Oh,
my
we
God.
sprayed the counter. Woo! I think either it's taking the pink dye out of the Beauty Blender, which is pretty normal. The first like 5 times you wash an actual Beauty Blender, the pink dye does come off. And then, or there could be some pink dye from the machine. I don't know. Oh, shoot.
Good?
I'm good. Now I'm gonna go for cleaning a brush. Let's try again. All right, step 1, we hook the
Aqua.
drain back up. Step 2 is aqua. More the better. Step 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some
Whoa.
magic. We have an R14 brush. You can use my code LauraLee if you want a dirty brush. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. That was a funny joke. Oh, don't press too hard. It's a learning experience for all of us. Well, I feel some vibrations happening. There's some movement. Look at this foam. Okay.
Like, is this just a play washing machine that people are using to clean their stuff with?
Oh, it's a Beauty Blender washing machine.
Like, it was made for this.
Don't kill our dreams.
I'm just asking, was it actually made for this?
I think so. That's what it was advertised online for. Where is the cat hair keep coming from? Squeegee out some water. It does look pretty clean, but the brush is now full of soap, so I gotta give it a good rinse. But it did kind of clean the brush. So let's give a go with a really dirty makeup brush. Like I should have brushed. This is the M573. Ready? Oh yeah, she's getting it. I wonder if you just set her in there. You just like go dunk all your brushes in here, come back in like 60 seconds. The only thing is you have to now go rinse all your brushes. Okie dokie. My brush is clean. My brush is clean. Ah! This works better, a little better, as a brush cleaner than it does as a Beauty Blender cleanser. But my Beauty Blender doesn't look so bad. It was really dirty, but I did find out the more water you add to this, the better it does perform. But the thing is now, another con about it is now I do have to go wash out my brushes because they are, you can feel they're filled with the soap. So listen, Linda, if you want to have a good time and you want to spend $3-4 to experiment and play and have something really cute like this, plus batteries and shipping, then go for it. Go for it and have a good time with it. It does, I don't think it's leaking.
Listen, if
Okay.
you're 8 years old.
Listen. But, you know, it's fun. It is, it's fun. Excuse me. She's taking a leak. Oh God, it's going everywhere.
That's it. You understand a guy's problem now. It goes everywhere, Laura.
He is a guy.
You can't play with it. You just gotta let it go.
Oh, she's drained. It still has some foam in it. This was really fun though. Like, I enjoyed it. I had a good time playing with it. It's an interesting little thing. I won't throw it away. I'll keep it. I think it's really cute. And I might even clean some more brushes with it. You know what I'm gonna do really quick before we go? I'm gonna get a bunch of dirty brushes and just plop them in there and just see what happens.
Do it.
I just pulled these brushes. The synthetic flat ones have shimmer all over them, and the other ones just have eyeshadow all over them. So this has a lot of foam left. I did drain it, but you can tell that's just foam left over. So what I'm gonna do, fill it back up with water. Are you really eating a chip right now? Bro, we're trying to we're trying to experiment. 1, 2, 3. This bottle full. 4. Okay, that looks good, right?
You need more. I don't really do much by themselves. This is why I think you needed more, so they can bounce off of each other.
Bruh.
There you go.
Okay.
You want a good line?
No. Okay, wait. Let's see the results. They're all still really dirty. Have a look. Yeah, they all still got makeup all over them. That's pretty bad. Okay, so I don't suggest doing what I just did, but I figure what a great way to close out the video just to see. I mean, instead of talking about it, see if it worked, right? It didn't work. Great. One brush at a time. Beauty blender. You can get your beauty blender semi-clean with a lot of effort and work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Should we put some laundry in there? Like one sock?
Don't tempt me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Be sure and subscribe to this channel, girl, for more shenanigans like this, because we are playing with gimmicks. I am going to stamp a gimmick stamp on this. I think it's like a semi-gimmick, bro, because I cleaned some of my brushes.
How much was it?
$4. Can't even be mad at that.
I guess not.
Anywho, thank you for watching, guys. I hope to see you all in the next video, and be sure and give this video a thumbs up before you leave. Bye, guys.